Today we are going to check out the top 5 best digital food scale available on the market. We made this list quality price, user experience, testing and based on customer reviews. If you want to see more information on the updated price on the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So let's get started. Number 5. Amazon Basics Food Scale. Digital Kitchen Scale. A useful kitchen tool, the digital scale makes it easy to quickly weigh ingredients or food items for meal plans and more. Spacious platform. The Amazon Basics Scale features a generous weighing platform, which effortlessly accommodates larger bowls or bulkier foods. Convert measurements. Featuring an easy-to-read LCD screen and a function that automatically converts units of measurement from ounces to grams or pounds to kilograms. Compact design. With a compact size that takes up minimal counter space, the scale can be easily tucked away for storage. To clean, wipe down with a damp cloth. Number 4. Etekcity Food Scale. Waterproof design. Features an IPX6 waterproof design, allowing you to easily measure liquids and wipe the scale clean. Rechargeable battery. The scale features a rechargeable battery and comes with a USB-C charging cable. 5 units. Choose between grams, ounces, pounds and ounces, milliliters, milk and water, and fluid ounces, milk and water, multi-purpose use. The scale is useful for baking, meal prep, baby food prep, weighing babies and pets, weighing parcels, and planning DIY projects. Food-grade stainless steel. Made with the highest quality materials to ensure safe cooking and easy cleanup. Helpful tip. The scale is IPX6 water resistant, which means it can withstand most liquid spills out without permanent damage. However, we still recommend wiping the scale dry with a soft cloth after any spills to keep it in optimal condition. Number 3. Farberware Food Scale. Accurate. The Farberware Professional Electronic Glass Kitchen Scale is easy-to-use digital kitchen scale, weighs up to 11 pounds, 5 kilograms, in precise graduations of 0.05 ounce. Easy to clean. The large, 6-inch square glass measuring platform is hygienic, easy to clean, and resists staining, measuring directly on the platform, on a plate or in a bowl. Easy to read. With an angled base with large LCD display, easily read your measurements even while measuring large, bulky items like mixing bowls or plates. Easy calculation. The Farberware electronic kitchen scale features a tare button, which calculates the net weight of your ingredients, automatically subtracts the weight of any bowl or container. Number 2. EatSmart Food Scale. EatSmart. At EatSmart, we want to give you the tools and confidence to meet the challenge head-on. Founded in 2005, EatSmart is devoted to designing, developing, and manufacturing innovative healthcare products to meet the needs of our customers. Live Smarter. This precision kitchen scale is easy to use and perfect for meal prepping and portion control. Combining healthy foods with a balanced routine leads to a wellness routine you can maintain. Multifunctional. This scale is perfect for precision weighing, featuring 0.05 ounces and 1g increments. Weigh accurately up to 15 pounds. A kitchen scale makes it easy to measure and portion out food according to serving sizes. Tare function. Place a container on the scale, press the tare button to zero out the weight of the container, add food to the container and see the weight of the food only. Number 1. KitchenAid Food Scale. Unique feature. 2-line backlit LCD readout calculates weights for both platforms at the same time. Accuracy and speed. Perfect measuring is easy with KitchenAid scales, which are all factory calibrated for precision and provide results within seconds. Easy to clean. Hand wash only, do not immerse in water or put in dishwasher. For best results, wipe with a damp cloth and dry thoroughly. A Dieter's dream. From proteins to cheeses to carbs and more, measure out exact portions of nutritious foods and keep better track of calories and food intake. Tare feature. Weigh liquids, dips, spreads, and more with ease. The tare feature measures the weight of the food holder, then starts counting as anything is added. Easy to maintain. KitchenAid scales feature smooth, durable surfaces that won't stain or retain food odors. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and check out the description to find the product links.